Rheumatoid arthritis, all knows, is a systemic disorder, antigen-antibody reaction, autoimmune disease. The pathophysiology is due to autoimmune disease, macrophages are activated and they lead to, or they produce cytokines like TNF alpha and interleukin 1. And these cytokines lead to synovitis and destruction of matrix and cartilage. The same is the pathology of osteoarthritis. Again, cytokines are produced and they lead to destruction of the cartilage and lead to synovitis. These cytokines, TNF alpha, interleukin 1, these are regulated by the nuclear factor kappa B, NF-κB. NF-κB is a transcription factor present in all cells. This NF-κB is the main role for inflammation. All these disorders, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, all are regulated by this NF-κB activation. So if NF-κB is activated, then these cytokines are released and these lead to destruction of cartilage and synovitis. This NF-κB activation is prevented by a new drug . Outcome of NF-κB activation, that is, it will release the cytokines and they will lead to destruction of chondrocytes, cartilage and bone. So Cadila has invented an innovative drug that will inhibits the NF-κB. This is the curcumin. It is biological active phytochemicals compound, as Madam has already told, and all these cytokines, whether they are acting on the gut or they are acting on the joints, they are prevented by this curcumin. So role of curcumin in rheumatoid arthritis and also osteoarthritis. It is safe and effective drug in both of these arthritis. It is well tolerated and having less GI side effect. So curcumin is given in combination with NSAIDs and also with steroids and along also. So this is safe drug. Another important thing is its release. It is self-microemulsifying drug delivery system, so this will have good effect. The dose is 100 to 200 milligram per day. If required, one can increase dose up to 400 milligram. So in summary, this is a new drug, innovative drug, and the drug release system is very good, invented by the Cadila, and it is non-toxic and safe drug, can be given in liver or kidney diseases. Thank you.